What up, gang? Happy 2025. It's my first hike of the season. Going to go find us a beautiful spot out in the middle of the woods to eat some lunch. Yeah, we got our first couple of inches of snow last night, so I can't wait to get out there. So one of the good things of being out here in the wintertime is, I don't know what they're doing here, but look at that. Parking lot's practically empty. So you're going to have to forgive the sniffles. Anytime it's cold like that, my nose decides to run more than a marathon runner. But we're at Portage Lake State Park. It's just just east of Jackson, Michigan. It's got a 30-ish mile linear trail that goes through some pretty beautiful country. You really can't beat this for a view. See the ice fishermen out there. There's a lot of them out there. Glad to see that the ice finally froze thick enough for them to get out there. Okay, I had to take a nature break, I guess you want to call it. But I also found me a cool spot to hang out for a couple of hours. So I'm going to set up a little, not a campsite, but just a work site, I guess. So I can cook and just chill out with Mother Nature. All right, so what I have here is an old poncho liner. Got from a Army surplus store. It's one of those made out of either 100% polyester or nylon. Yeah, that's it. So it really helps, just keeps you from having to sit on the ground. There she blows. So my stove is precariously balanced, and it is making one of those noises like, maybe I should clean it. Okay. There we go. All right, we have boilage. So this lovely recipe calls for 1.5 cups. We're going to do like 1.25 cups because you can always add water. You can't take it out. Let's give that a stir. And sorry for the sniffles, guys. Once again, it's just the cold weather makes my nose do that. Well, that didn't taste bad. All right, I am going to put this in my coat and zip it up a little bit after we make sure it's sealed up. Ah, oh yeah, baby. There we go. All right, we got that. Come here. All right, well, time to wait like 15 minutes. I'll let you guys know when it's done. And here we are, just where my butt was at and where we had the stove. So we are going that way to find the trail. Let's do one more panoramic or 360 shot of my lunchtime view. You can't beat this, guys. All right, we are back at the trail. Well, somebody had some fun. Made that a little bit too big, but give them an A for effort. So with Portage Lake being right there, the ice fishermen, dude, that's just something I can't get used to. Growing up from the South, it was like, hey, Jesus is the only one that walked on water. But maybe one day I'll get out there and give it a try. So the wind is starting to pick up, dropping the temperature, or the wind chill. I think it was around the 20s Fahrenheit when I came out here. And we didn't have too much wind, but now it's starting to come out, making it a little colder up here. So we're going to... Guys, thank you so much for coming out and going with me on today's hike. What a beautiful day. Excuse me. I just choked up from the sadness of leaving. Anyway, get outside, enjoy this beautiful weather, especially like if you're blessed with snow. Get the right gear, get out there. It is absolutely gorgeous. Peace out. Love you. Oh yeah, hey, like and subscribe, please.